Jungle Scout versus Helium 10. Jungle Scout was the first in game, but Helium 10 is going strong. What has the best Chrome extension and why? We're going to go over it. Now, the first thing I'm going to look at is the history. Who's been in business longer, right? And if we look at this photo, we're going to see Greg Mercer. He actually started Jungle Scout. It's at February of 2015. And a lot of this, pretty much the main tool and the only tool he initially offered was mainly that Chrome extension that we see today. The other one is going to be, it looks like Manny, and it looks like his name, Gil. And those are two founders that actually founded Helium 10, which a lot of people didn't know who founded Helium 10, right? And their tool has been changing rapidly, right? Now, their tool didn't really come, their Chrome extension didn't really start until 2016. I believe it was end of 2015. They did get it up and running. But right off the bat, we know that Jungle Scout is ahead. Now, ease of use. What's easier to use? And what we're going to do is we have Helium 10 right here, and we're scrolling down, and we want to see what Helium 10 looks like. So Helium 10, this is it right here. If we click on this, then the Chrome extension is going to pop up, and then it's going to show us, I guess, the sales of everybody. And right now it's grayed out. I don't know why it's grayed out, but what we can see is the average BSR, bestseller rating, the price, the average rating. And to see these, the 30-day revenue, for some reason, I have to click on show full summary. Now, all of a sudden it pops in. I wish it kind of just showed me right away because I have to click an extra button. And then right here, I have to click more buttons just to see the revenue. This is saying 0, which actually most likely is accurate. Okay, we got some sales, but I have to click manually. I'm not a huge fan of that. When we do go to Jungle Scout right off the get, what we can see is that Jungle Scout, it loads right away. So the Chrome extension, you see all the way to the right, it shows the revenue is 73,000. I don't have to click on anything. It just automatically does that. So any page I go to, 87,000, 73,000, and it's got all that data right there. So it's a lot. I mean, it's a lot easier because it's going to be a pain. Just imagine you have to click every single time. Don't want that to happen. And that's going to be an easy win. Helium 10 had this, it was like that one, some of the parts were just grayed out. I didn't like that. Data accuracy. And we did talk to a rep at Amazon. Amazon reps know how much their Amazon products are actually making per month. So if we find the Amazon Basics camping tent, what we can see is, okay, how much money is this actually making per month? Now we do have that number. We know how much it's actually making per month. And now we just have to see what tool is going to be more accurate. Now, Helium 10, come on, Helium 10, a little faster. Let's go. I don't know. They've got so much data in here, Helium 10, which is amazing, but it slows down the tool, right? So if we're kind of looking at that, and we got $85,000 a month, this is going to be the most important thing. If it's actually making a lot less, at least we know that we have a baseline because we can see from Amazon, but if it was making a lot less than this and we launched it, that's going to be a huge issue for us in our business. So we need to make sure all the data is as accurate as possible. And what we're going to do is we're going to find the same 10. I think the same, I'm assuming it's going to pop up here because Amazon always shows up. I guess not this time. So I'll have to grab the ASIN, or nope, it's right here. Of course, I'm like, come on. And then we're going to see how fast this one works. So like I said, it should just pop up. It's loading, and definitely a lot faster than Helium 10. It looks like Jungle Scout has made their system faster, but this one said 68,000, while Helium 10 says 85,000. Now, I want to be completely honest. Helium 10 is more accurate, right? This is like a $20,000 difference. Helium 10 is not perfect, but they are more accurate, especially when it comes to Amazon. And the reason they are is they're always talking to actual Amazon employees and getting that API connection updated on a regular basis. When Helium 10, or when Jungle Scout might not be prioritizing that right now. Okay, so we're going to kind of base this that Jungle Scout overall, what we've seen is it is semi-accurate. It's not as accurate as Helium 10. So I'm going to give Jungle Scout 4. I'm going to give Helium 10 a 5 for this. And then we're going to go to pricing, which is going to be next on the list. And sometimes the pricing, we're like, okay, how much is it costing? Are they increasing the pricing? But we've already got this right here for you. And Helium 10, it used to be free, okay? They used to be free, or you could use their tools for free. So obviously Helium 10 was hands down the best. Now, it just wasn't working for them. They wanted to change it. So they did change it. And they had a plan that was $29 a month, just like Jungle Scout, right? Just, there it is right there. We got 29, but they got rid of that plan and the next plan, and they increased it to $99 starting. And that's an annual. So you got to do 99 times 12. That's over $1,000 they want you to pay up front to use Helium 10, just because the brand name. And their tools are amazing. Don't get me wrong. Helium 10 does have the strongest tools, but I, hands down, every day, any day, I would be paying $29 a month than $99. $99 is just a little over the top. So they need to if they want more new customers, they need to step their game up. And that avenue is my recommendation, because Jungle Scout's so easy to use. And it's got such a good price intro that most people are going to at least start with Jungle Scout before they even think about using it. And what Helium 10 should be doing is they should be having a free trial, but charging them $1. That's my recommendation. So if we go back and forth again, this is going to be an easy win for Jungle Scout, just because Helium 10 increased their price significantly. Then we've got features, right? So if we go to the different features, and let's go back, and we can just try, let's see if we use this tool. Let's see what works on here. Does it work on here? Or is it grayed out on here? I don't know why it's grayed out. Oh, there. Okay, it's working now. So retrieve top sales organic keywords. So it looks like X-ray keywords. Find performance keywords that are generating sales for the top product. And it's oh wow, it's even showing me Amazon PPC keywords that they're using and the recommended bid. These are actual keywords that they're ranking for and running Amazon ads for. Title density, or here we go, organic rank. Can we filter this? Not yet. Still very, very good. Still very good to see. I like to see the organic rank. And what I like to do is filter it by the organic rank from smallest to highest. And see this? See how the organic rank is low? 2 means that they're pretty much showing. If you type in 4-person tent, they're number 2, right? If you type in 3-person tent, they're number 2. They're purposely, this is Amazon, by the way, so they're purposely staying number 2 because they can. They're very strategic with their placement. 5-person tent. Funny, very funny. Hey, they're killing it. They're doing it. That's all that matters at the end of the day. So we can see the data right there just from that tool in itself. I don't know if Jungle Scout. So we're looking at Jungle Scout. If I click on this, there isn't anything like that right off the bat. We can go to your business and settings, but I don't see anything like that. Helium 10 already has something like this. So it's super, again, Jungle Scout's super clean. Love how clean it is. But at the end of the day, Helium 10 has the most tools and some of the best advanced tools in the game. So Helium 10 takes this place by far. I'm actually going to probably I'll give them a 3. Okay, I'll give Jungle Scout because it's not shit. It's still pretty good. And if you do add up all of the scores, like I think they do have a better tool, Jungle Scout, it's for enterprise. So I'll bring this up to a 4 at the end of the day, just because I'm a little biased towards Jungle Scout. That was one of my favorite tools. Still one of my favorite Chrome extensions to this day. I would always use Jungle Scout Chrome extension. The Helium 10, their actual tools, if you log in and you forget about the extension, are extremely, extremely good, right? But if we're just talking about, and we just add it up, we're going to see that Jungle Scout wins. And it is a no-brainer. It is a no-brainer at the end of the day that Jungle Scout wins. The extension game. Now, if we talk about the actual tools inside their platform, that's going to be night and day too. Helium 10 is going to always beat Jungle Scout when it comes to the actual tools that sellers are going to be using. But when it comes to the Chrome extension, Jungle Scout's pretty much always going to beat just about everybody in the Chrome extension game. That's what they started with, and that's what they've been ending with. So take it or leave it. Both of them we are affiliates for. You can click on the link in the description and get a discount. Might as well try it out. See what you like best. If I was a beginner, hands down Jungle Scout. Right when I started to make at least $1,000 a month, I would start thinking about Helium 10. Now, $1,000 a month, if you're paying $99 a month, that's 10% of your income. So you might have to wait a little bit longer because it used to be free. And if it wasn't free, they did have a plan that was $29 a month. And maybe you can message them and see. But Helium 10, please step up your pricing game. Please, please, please. Jungle Scout, thanks for staying consistent. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.